I'll be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. I'm so excited, I feel faint.
Jimmy, what are you doing on the floor? Jimmy? Oh my goodness! It's a Nintendo Switch! I can't wait to
Jimmy, Gary, what are you doing on the floor? Is that a Nintendo Switch? Squeak!
So, I couldn't do it, but maybe Fingy can.
Yeah, maybe I can. I'll give it a shot. Here we go. Yay!
Oh well, looks like it didn't open, but at least it's on the floor now.
This time I'll be able to open it. What? Come back! Come back!
Okay, so this is me unboxing the... Wait, sorry, I forgot the box. I'll be right back.
I got it.
Now let's make use of this 3D. La 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 la.
Who are you?
I am Dr. Franklin.
Let's do it together.
3,
2, 1.
empty.